Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Last Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make keo mak muang mango sauce, okay? And I have a mango here that is very big. And my grandson, he think it's a papaya. He think it's green papaya because it's so big. Right, Tristan?
Uh-huh.
You wanna come say hi?
Sure.
Tell them what you think. That's a jumbo papaya. Or
I
mango.
know it's a papaya, but
Come closer. Look at the mango in his face. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's pretty big. That's why I wanna have a mango. Looks so good. First of all, we're gonna I introduce you to my ingredient first, okay? What we have here, we have Padek, fish sauce, sugar, chili pepper, shallot, and chicken flavor, rice powder, chili powder, okay? That's all you have, okay? So let me go ahead, slide my shallot first. You have to have the shallot. Okay, and I have a chili pepper. Oh, I love pepper. That's one reason I want mango. Eat mango with a hot sauce. น้ำลายเหยเว้ย Okay, got my big mango and my favorite knife. Wow.
Wow. My goodness.
หมักยังไงอะไรคันกิวพีสหมักยังไงจะแซ่บ
Make it crunchy, right?
น้ำลายเหยเลยนี่ ตายแล้ว ตายแล้ว
มือกล้องก็อดบ่ได้แล้ว
กล้องกระยาก
My mouth watering. Can't talk. Wow.
alright จัดถ้วยก่อน Okay เห็ดน้ำแก้วเนาะบัดนี้ let's mix I go for sugar first chili powder and the rice powder roast rice powder chicken flavor. That's beautiful. Pepper. Okay. I'm going to mix this together first. Now I go ahead add the fish sauce. And you know, some people, they like just fish sauce only. You can do that too, like double it, the seasoning with fish sauce and stay with that, okay? For the people who don't eat padek, but you know me, I love padek. This padek, I make it for my papaya salad. It's already been cooked and processed, okay?
Your homemade.
My homemade, yes. My signature, my homemade. See the color changing? It changed so good now. Look beautiful, right? And then I have that aromatic from all the herbs that I put in, like roast rice and padek and chili pepper. น้ำลายไหล Okay, now I put shallot. You know I love shallots, so every bite of mango I have to have shallots, so I'm gonna put a lot. Okay. Yeah, see how like it's kind of like creamy and thick? You want it to look like that, okay? After a while, the sugar melting is gonna be kind of like light up a little bit. But this is perfect right now. See, you see the texture, everything? Okay. And my mango is already done. Look at that. แล้วป้าไปกินเนาะ Let's eat. มากินมะม่วงน้ำกัน เป็นตาแซ่บได้หันเบิ่งแก้วด้วยน่ะเป็นตาแซ่บเอาน้ำเตรียมไว้พร้อมเพราะว่าฮู้แล้วว่ากินแล้วมันจะฮ้อนท้อง Come on, let's eat mango with me. And with the hot sauce, this is the best. That's how you eat it. Put a lot in there like that, and then go like this, and then go. Oh. แซ่บขนาดใช้คุณมูที so good. When you eat mango, don't go in here like that, okay? You wanna put bunch of the salt. Go this way like that. See? That's how you eat. I'm sorry, that's how I eat. Go. That pepper. Charlotte. แซ่บคำใหญ่ๆคำใหญ่ๆชอบครับ Here. My granddaughter, she can't stand that. She just jump in and eat mango too. But she passed on the salt.
Yeah.
Good mango. Slap line. So good.
Slap like, slap like, slap like.
Slap line. She said slap line.
Good. Slap like.
Slap line. I almost eat the whole two mango. You have to help me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and try to eat this, okay? It's just good snack. Okay, when you see the big mango, any kind of mango, of course, I like my favorite is kind of yellow, like that a little bit. It tastes better too, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. ลาก่อน Bye bye.